Hello guys, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can be able to open an iPhone 7 screen without damaging anything on the phone. In today's video we are going to teach you how you can be able to open an iPhone 7 screen without damaging anything. But don't forget, this Awesome Global. If today is the first time you're seeing our video, or you've been seeing our video but you are not following our page, please follow our page, like, comment and share the video so that other people will see it. Watch the video from beginning to end so that you also get the knowledge of it. Let's go into the video quickly. The first thing you need to do before you can open the screen of an iPhone, there are two screws behind the charging system. There are two screws, so you need to open the screw. You need to use an iPhone screwdriver to remove the screws. Here are the two screws. These two screws, you need to use an iPhone screwdriver to remove it. Here is it. This is the first thing to do. Just use the screwdriver to remove the screws from it. When you've removed the two screws under behind the charging system, the next thing you need to do, if you have a thumbnail, here is it. You can just use it, put it under the screen here. Or if you don't want to use your thumbnail, you can get something like blade or a flat object that can, here's it, that you can put at the edge of the screen. Here is it. When you've pushed it in, use it to push the screen up. As you can see, push the screen up, then use your thumbnail. Here is it. Go it round. As you are going round, try pushing the screen gently. Push it up gently. Here is it. Here is it. Use your thumbnail to do that. Here is it. When you've pushed the screen up, the next thing you need to do is to push the screen down a little bit. Push it down a little bit so that you unlock it from here. Push it down a little bit. When you've pushed it down, the next thing you need to do is to turn it to the right hand side. Don't push the screen up. Don't push the screen up. Just turn it to the right hand side. Here is it. The reason why you don't push it up, because the flex from the screen to the board is by the side, and also the flex from the camera to the board also is from the side. It's not at the top. So if you push it up, you are going to cut this flex. So this is how you can be able to open the screen of iPhone 7